You accuse me of extrajudicial killings. Criminal. Secretary ka, meron tayong sagutan noon, sinabi ko sa iyo, look at your own backyard, especially Muntinlupa. By sheer neglect, culpable neglect, wala kang ginawa. Only recently, ni-raid mo ngayon lang. You built a Hilton Hotel right in Muntinlupa. You allowed it. I told you, look at your own backyard. I will make sure that you will have to account for it. It's a criminal neglect. Anak ka ng... Nandyan, pumapasok ang priso, lumalabas, may droga, kinululuto sa loob. And you have the goal to accuse me of extrajudicial, puro criminal. So ikaw, you fatten them, pinatambok na mo ang criminal sa loob. Yan ang mahirap eh. Inumpisahan mo eh.